we're going to assemble the Easter egg gift card holder. So your base piece, you want to fold your two tabs in, fold that side up and this down. Okay, and we are going to glue these tabs down. And then we're going to move over to our base. So you want to move this ribbon piece until, see if I have it higher, it's over the edge, or lower, it's inside. So right to where it goes to each edge, that's where this goes. And I'm going to add some foam tape to this one. One across the center, I think. That'll fit. There we go. And I want to look at it on the egg and see if I want to use another layer of foam tape. So your ribbon is going to come right just to the bottom. Oops. You see there? It lines right up with the bottom of the egg. And I think I do want to pop this one as well. There we are. So this one's very simple, but I do really like it. And you can use a patterned paper so that you have like a decorated egg if you wanted. There we are. And then we're going to use and this one I'm going to put on the base. There we are. And there is your Easter egg gift card holder. Thank you for joining me.